In this lesson, in this video, we will cover the text effects of Canva, that how we can find them and how we can use and implement them in our text layers of the document of Canva. So you can see I have created a document, so we will go to the text sections, and for instance, if we add a heading like Canva design course. So the heading I have added, you can see here, and there are different options here you can see, and one of them is effects. So if we click on effects, so you can find here styles, like right now it's none, so you can apply one of them like shadow, lift, hollow, splice, outline, echo, glitch, neon, and background. And you can also apply like shapes like none or curve. For instance, if we apply a shadow, so you can see a shadow has been applied here. And if we want to change the direction, we can change the direction. See, direction of shadow is changing. We can change the transparency, and we can also change offset. See, so none and then lift, for example. So intensity of lift we can increase. You can see, then we can also apply like splice if we want to splice like this. So thickness we can control, offset we can control, and direction we can also control, and the color we can also control from here. So every style options has different properties as per the style, like outline. So here you can see the properties as per the outline. So the thickness of outline, you can see the outline color, for example, if you want to change, so you can change from here. Like you want to apply neon effect to your, see, neon effect. So for example, if we change the text color from here, so now you can see this is just like, this is not like, actually this is neon effect. So neon effect you can create like this. Okay, so different things like now with this you can also apply curve. So now neon plus curve has been applied. So the curve, like you can also control from here, like curve direction. So this is the, simple and professional text effects options that we can find here in the effects section, including style and their properties, and shape and their properties. So we can apply these different text effects to our text layers in Canva. And please subscribe to my channel, and also share the video with your friends so they can also increase their professional skills of Canva graphic designing. Thank you so much once again.